All right, good morning, everybody. One trade for you today, but it was a three-entry trade using my standard base 112 system. If you guys ever wonder how I trade, I do have a whole video about how I implement my base system. At least there's always little fluctuations here and there that people just can't seem to wrap their mind around. Oh, you did something different than what you normally do. Yes, you always have to adapt to what's happening. But if you're interested in that, check out the channel homepage. I think it's the #1 watch video on the channel. But let's go this trade. Yeah, IREN here. You can push up towards 650 a little bit more into the 640s possibly. All right, we're into the 640s here on IREN, watching it.
MGTX, IREN, ABSI, IREN, ABSI,
All right, see if I can get in here on IREN. I'm in
IREN,
at 648, 300 shares here. This is an energy-related company.
MGTX,
Okay, Iron's still going. See if we can move a bit further. Watching it. Looking for like 670 area.
MGTX, IREN, MGTX, IREN,
Okay, here comes 670.
IREN, MGTX,
Okay, gonna add in right here. Now have 600 at 661.
MGTX, IREN,
All right, is it gonna break through 7
IREN,
here on IREN?
IREN, IREN,
All right, gonna add in here at 7. Now have 1200 at 680. Come on, back down under 680 here, IREN. Okay, gonna take off a partial right there, down to 500 shares. See if we can get down under 670 here for another partial.
CDIO,
This thing could still be a loser. I'm going to put a stop in here now up at the highs. But hopefully it's going to continue back down.
CDIO,
All right, looking for a move here under the 670s.
plus 16 in mind re TGI.
Not really moving under 670 here. I'll take another 200 off there just because it wasn't really moving down through that how I wanted. See if we can get these other 300 to continue. Look for 655 for another 100. Okay, I'm going to take another 100 off right there, down to 200 shares now. See if this thing can get under 650. All right, at this point, I'm going to put a stop in, but right on my average. Not going to let it go against me anymore. And we'll see if this thing can maybe fade down a bit further here. All right, continuing here, IREN. See if we can get under 640. Might consider another half of what's remaining, another 100 shares here.
ANNX,
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop down to 675 for right now. just so that at least those last shares will be slightly in the money if it comes up and stops me. Still hoping for this thing to fade off some more. And we're bring my stop down now to 665 as this thing is starting to put in this little curl here. Still hoping for further continuation down, but I think if it comes up through that area now, no reason to hang on anymore. Alright, we'll see if the VWAP can hold it down here. If not, maybe getting stopped out the rest on IREN. Could be a shame, but is what it is. And stopped out any second here. Not quite yet, but about to. And nope, not yet. Really, we're gonna play with me that much here, Iron. Really gonna play with me like that? All right, here we go. Now getting stopped. All right, stopped out the rest there on IREN. Time will tell if I should have given this thing a little bit more room to continue with the stop, but that curl there I wasn't really liking. So out there with a $100 win. All right, so that's it for me. I'm extremely tired. I'm going to call it an early day here, and I came to the realization today while trading that tomorrow on Friday, because of the holidays and schedules and things like that, is going to be my last trading day of 2023. Try not to blow it, Justin.